Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach from electricalexamcoach.com, and this is the electrical exam prep question of the day. Let's get to it. A circuit has a resistance of 12 ohms, and the current flowing is 5 amperes. What is the voltage across the circuit? The options were A, 25 volts, B, 60 volts, C, 100 volts, and D, 120 volts. And the correct answer is B, 60 volts. And for this one, we're going to use our Ohm's law. Always remember, just draw your pyramid. We know that E goes up on top, and then we'll fill in the I and the R down below. The I in this case is going to be our 5 amperes, and the R is going to be our 12 ohms of resistance. And remember, those two together imply multiplication. So we take 5 multiplied by 12 equals 60, which is our voltage. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. Let's get to it.